Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole Sierra and I'm a Virgo who likes to do makeup. Shout out all my friends who say that they love my intros of my videos. This is for you. Today's video is just going to be a simple 5-minute makeup look. This is especially for people who struggle with putting together like a makeup look and don't really know what type of products to use and really just don't know where to start. And especially for me, my type of people, where are you at, who just cannot seem to get up in the morning, are so tired, don't even want to do it, don't even bother putting makeup. But I promise you, this will take you 5 minutes to do. You can take it with you on the go, and this is like life-changing, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys right now. Okay, so this is gonna be a very realistic like 5-minute makeup tutorial because in particularly, I have to get ready quick. I have things to do. I have to get homework done. Like, things need to be quick and fast because it's gonna be a busy day. I have class later. It's gonna be a really realistic 5-minute makeup tutorial. Yes, it might be more than 5 minutes because I'm talking. Let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm gonna be using an eyebrow gel to just comb through my brow hairs, and I don't fill in my brows when I do like a 5-minute look because I take like 20 minutes when I do my brows. So this is super easy, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia one, but you definitely don't have to use like a high-end one. I also really like the e.l.f. one because it's $2, but I always tend to put like the most, never in the front, because I like the front to look a little sparse and then the thicker more towards the end of the tail. So now I just have the brow gel through my brows. Next, what I'm going to do is curl my lashes and apply mascara. Sometimes, to be honest with you, like I'll just curl my lashes and leave them as they are, and like you can even skip the mascara step, but it's totally personal preference. Sometimes why I skip it is because I'm so lazy at night, like when I know I'm gonna have a long day, like for example if I have a chapter that night and I know I'm gonna be like out till like possibly like 10:30, then I won't put mascara on because of the reason, like the sole fact of like how tedious and hard it is sometimes to take off like at the end of the night, whether it's like with the makeup wipe or even just with the cleanser. I'm very sty prone and so like I get a lot of styes all the time. It's really frustrating to me, so I just try to like stay away from putting things on my eyes as much as I can. I gave a suggestion to my friend Melissa, who actually suggested that I do a video like this. If you're going to put mascara on and you don't like the way that black mascara looks and it's a little too dark for you, I told her to try out a brown mascara. I'm not sure if ColourPop has one of the brown mascaras. I know they have colorful mascaras. If ColourPop has one, or I know for sure, but that's high end, would be Roller Lash, from Benefit, the brown one. I love the Roller Lash one because it gives you such a natural look and not very clumpy and a thick look. So for mascara, the only one that I have right now is the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara, but totally don't need to have a high-end mascara. I have a lot of favorite drugstore ones, but this one I just really wanted to try out, so that's the one that I'm working towards finishing right now. So I'm just going to apply that. And something else I was talking about was if you need convincing sometimes to like put on a little bit of makeup in the morning or just get yourself the slightest bit ready when you don't have any motivation to, like I've been there. And what I found over the past like couple of years struggling with this internal battle would be that at the beginning of the day I'll wake up and I used to want nothing to do with getting ready, doing my hair, or putting on even like this 5-minute makeup look because I just was so tired and I couldn't even do it. Next, what I do is put a little bit of concealer on. This one is the Glossier Stretch Concealer. I take a little brush, put it in there a little bit because the brush actually picks up more than you think. Apply it underneath my eyes and then blend that, and then I go around the sides of the nose because I have like redness, and then on the chin, whatever is left, and then sometimes I'll take it a little bit on my forehead like here and just kind of dab rather than like drag it. As I was saying, so when I found on those days that like I sleep, that's all really much I got out of it. But on the days that I took the time to get ready and do like a 5-minute makeup look like this, but I find on the days that I do choose to do something with my face, I feel more confident throughout the day. I feel like happier. I feel more productive and more inclined to like take on the day and know that I'm gonna do great things, and I feel more confident in whatever it is I do. And on those days that sometimes I chose not to, I might really look in the mirror, and I know this sounds like really possibly dramatic, but it's not to me because it's like the reality of it. Sometimes I really would look in the mirror and be like, wow, like I feel, although it's not true, like I feel disgusting and I feel like I look disgusting and like I don't feel confident, and I fill myself with negative thoughts, and it really reflects like internally, which eventually like externally, whether it's like I don't feel inclined to really do my work because I'm constantly thinking now of like being in a negative mindset. I could easily take the time to get ready or like do extra things instead of just sleeping more, which like I don't need to sleep. Like I already got like 7 hours of sleep and I still like have such a hard time like waking up in the morning. So like a lot of times when I waste that time to not do my makeup, to not wake up extra early to get that coffee, to not wake up earlier so I'm not rushing and driving or whatever it is, those things really do change my day around. And I definitely recommend trying to put that extra effort into doing whatever it is in the morning that makes you feel better so that you can have like a more productive day. And for me, that is this 5-minute makeup look majority of the days, to be honest with you. Next, I'm going to use this Milani Luminoso Blush, and I like this blush. It's one of my favorite blushes. I'm going to just apply that, and I feel like this actually is what changes the entire look, because I feel like I look cute now, but like when I put the blush on, it looks like, wow, you have like a beautiful natural makeup look, but it's really just like the power of blush. That's pretty much it. Now I'm just gonna put a gloss over my lips because that's just super quick to do. And I like using the Fenty one because it has like, I think the shea butter in it. So like, I feel like it really like hydrates my lips and works with them while like I still look super cute. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. This one I'm using is in the shade Fussy, and this one is not the original one. This is a little bit more pinky, I think, and a little more sheer than the original one. Oh. So that's it for this 5-minute makeup look. This is the look that it's my go-to look whenever I go to class for real. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the tips. I know like this wasn't like the funniest video and not a lot of my personality showed, but like it's kind of hard when like I talk about things that like I really care about, like, and it's not like time for funny. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it and picked up some new tips and I feel encouraged to possibly try this look out. And I hope you have a wonderful day whenever this video gets posted, and try to listen to as much Christmas music as possible, and I'll see you guys in my next video. No, it did not. When I just did this, did my arm flap just shake the house? Oh my god. Every year I have this phase where I look like No Chapped Lips from SpongeBob.